Okay, welcome to our reading review class. This one is the last week of classes. Okay, so we are on week number 34, and I prepared this presentation for understanding better the topic, and then you develop your test. Okay, today is Tuesday, November 24th, 2020, and we discuss the unit number 13. Why bread rises? Okay, this one is the topic of the unit. And do you know how to make bread? Some of you, okay, bake cookies or maybe bake cake with your mom or maybe with a member of your family, and you try to prepare, let me see, pizza, okay, sweet bread, etc. So for that reason, you know what are the steps and also what are the ingredients that you use for baking a bread. So let's see, we have different ingredients. For example, we have oil, water, yeast, salt, sugar, and also flour. Okay, if we check this one or the meaning in Spanish of these ingredients, oil, aceite, water, agua, yeast, levadura, salt, sal, sugar, azúcar, and flour, harina. Okay, all of these one are the ingredients that we use for baking a bread. Okay, it's depend the quantity, okay, of every ingredient depends of the quantity of the bread that you want to prepare. Let's see. First one, we have the vocabulary. We have a definition for every word, and we have doubt. In that case, it's a mixture of flour, water that is baked to make bread. Okay, so remember, we mix all the ingredients, okay, that I mentioned: flour, water, sugar, salt, oil, etc. And then you bake, okay, and at the end, okay, you obtain a bread. So this one is the doubt. Number two, we have the flour. This one is a white or brown powder made with crushing grains. Okay, what is the meaning of crushing? Okay, in that case, crush is when you let me see, cut into a little piece of something and you obtain, okay, a powder, okay, triturar. So in that case, could be white or maybe could be brown. You obtain this one of the different grains, for example, rice, okay, corn. When you eat pupusas, okay, you prepare the pupusas with, okay, flour of corn, okay, harina de maíz. Or when maybe if you eat rice pupusas, okay, pupusas de arroz, you prepare this one with rice flour, con harina de arroz. Okay, excellent. Let's see, then we have number three, that is mix. Okay, is when you combine two or more substances so that they become a single substance. Okay, that's when you mix all the ingredients, okay, and at the end you obtain only one. Let's see, number four, this one is a round container used for eating, or in some cases for serving or for preparing food. This one is a bowl. Okay, it's a round container. You put this one, you can eat a soup in that container, you can serve a salad, or maybe you prepare or you mix the different ingredients in a bowl. Then we have rice, okay. When you increase, okay, or when something increases in size, in amount, or in quality. For, in that case, the doubt, okay, increase in size. Fluffy is something that is covered with very soft air and is light, okay. That's mean suave, okay. So this one is covered with very soft air, okay, con aire suave, okay, y es liviano, esponjoso. Yes, okay, these one are the vocabulary words that we study in that unit: doubt, flour, mix, bowl, rice, and also fluffy. Okay, these one are part of the vocabulary that we study. Then we have the warm-up. Okay, do you know how to make bread? Some of you, yes. Okay, your answer could be yes, teacher, I know. Okay, but the first step is that you get all the ingredients together, okay, or you obtain all the ingredients, you put in a table, and then, okay, in the quantity that you use, and then you mix, okay, get the flour, get the sugar, eggs, water, and yeast, etc. Then you put them in a bowl, okay, and mix them together. Okay, that's when you put all the ingredients in the container, and at the end you mix. Okay, next one. In that case, let's see, you put the dough in the oven and bake it. It will rise. When you mix all the ingredients, you obtain the dough. Then this dough you put in an oven for baking it, and at the end it rises. And the last step is that you will get fluffy loaves and bread. Okay, and this is yummy. Okay, when you say yummy, it's something that is delicious. For example, if you eat your favorite ice cream, yummy. Okay, or maybe your favorite fruit, so you say yummy. It's similar that you say delicious. Okay, excellent. So let's see. Let's continue right now with the reading part. Okay, why bread rises? Okay, in that case, we have the question that how does bread rise? In that case, the yeast, okay, in Spanish is levadura, in the dough, it's the sugar and flour. That means it's two ingredients, and this one creates gas and makes the dough rise. More gas comes out when the dough is baked. This also makes the bread bigger. Okay, that's mean the mix of the sugar and the flour that yeast eats, and at the end, this mix, okay, let me see, you create gas, and the gas, okay, has the function of rising the dough. For that reason, the bread is fluffy. Let's see, this one is a part of the reading. Bakeries always have large loaf of bread. Okay, however, bread dough is much smaller. Okay, in some cases, it's depend on the quantity that you want to prepare. For example, if you want to prepare only bread for you, or maybe for your mom, okay, this one are let me see, kind of um, it's not bigger quantity. Okay, so these one are ingredients that you can obtain at home, and also you can prepare a small kind of dough, and then you prepare the bread. How does it grow bigger? Okay, the answer is yeast. Okay, this one is the clue. This one is the answer. Yeast, la levadura, es el elemento principal. To make bread dough, you need flour. Yes, okay, you need sugar, obviously. You need water, you need eggs and yeast, but you mix them together in a bowl. Okay, so that means it's one of the steps. That means you mix all the ingredients together, but remember that yeast is the most important ingredients for baking bread. Then the yeast does it magic. For that reason we mentioned that, because the yeast, okay, is the ingredient that has the magic in baking bread. After it eats the sugar and flour, it creates gas. Okay, the gas makes the dough rise. Okay, when you mix them, the flour, the sugar, okay, so this one create gas. And the function of the yeast is eats all these ingredients and, okay, create more gas, and in that part the dough rises. The sugar makes it rise faster. Okay, so that's mean if you add sugar, the dough faster rises. Okay, but if you add salt, what happened? Okay, the contrary, it rises more slowly. Okay, that's meaning if you add sugar, okay, so the dough rise faster. But if you add salt, the rise, okay, the dough rises more slowly. Exactly. Okay, let's see. Let's continue. Next, you put the dough in the oven. Okay, remember, we need all the ingredients. Yes, we need the bowl, we need the container, but you also need an oven because it is necessary that you bake it. For that reason, okay, you need the ingredients, you need the bowl, you need to put the dough in a specific container, and then this container, okay, you enter, okay, into the oven, because the oven is the electronical, maybe the gas, let's see, tools for preparing the bread or for baking the bread. While it is there, even more gas comes out. Okay, that's mean the gas, okay, is bigger. When the bread is baked, it is big and fluffy. Okay, that's mean when the dough creates the gas, the bread starting, yes, okay, and this one is big and fluffy. Este crece y se hace esponjoso. Yeast is very important. Without it, we can't make large, soft loaf of bread. Ok, si eliminamos la levadura, entonces no funciona. No podemos hacer que el pan sea más grande o que sea más esponjoso. For that reason, the yeast is the most important ingredient, okay, for baking bread. Excellent. Okay, so this one is a review class, but remember all the elements that are important. First one, we have the ingredients. Okay, you mentioned the vocabulary part, and then you analyze every paragraph, okay, of the reading, and we check every word that we have here. Remember for the test, okay, try to analyze, try to read every question, try to read every answer, okay, and don't do fast, okay, the exam. So please pay attention to every word that you have and then you choose the best answer. Hagamos el examen de manera despacio. Lea cada pregunta, analice cada respuesta. A veces una palabra cambia el sentido de la respuesta y probablemente no sea ese. Entonces, analicemos cada una de ellas y elijamos la mejor para obtener una mejor calificación. Recuerde que vamos a evaluar la lectura y vamos a evaluar parte de vocabulario. Si usted puede hacer un repaso nuevamente de lo que hemos visto, estaría súper genial. Entonces, vamos a hacer eso. Buena suerte en su examen. Good luck, ¿ok? And these one are some interesting fact that we have. Okay, it's an extra information for you. For example, different kind of bread. So we have the white bread. Okay, this one prepare the sandwiches, yes. Okay, the wheat bread, the rye bread, and the whole grain bread. Okay, we have the hamburger bread, the hot dog bread, the croissant, okay, pretzel is a kind of bread, French bread, okay, French bread that we call baguette, pita bread, and also rolls. The majority of us, okay, eat rolls, okay, pan francés is roll. Okay, so this one are the different kind of bread. And also, okay, we have some interesting story about bread. For example, the gingerbread man, okay, so we use the word, and you know what is the story of this tale. Then we have Hansel and Gretel. Did you remember the home? Okay, the home is making of, let's see, little piece of bread, okay, cookies, candies, etc. So this one is another interesting tale. So let's see. Good job during this school year 2020. I'm proud of you. Okay, you did an excellent job this year, and I hope that you obtain a good grade in your test. Thank you very much. God bless you a lot, and I miss you a lot.